Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will see how to remove hidden space character from your spreadsheet. This hidden space character appears in your spreadsheet whenever we copy and paste data from internet or from email or from any other program. This hidden space character is represented by character 160 in Excel, whereas the space character is represented as character 32 in Excel. This both looks similar, but it cannot be removed using the same function or formula. As we know, trim function helps to remove the leading and trailing spaces from your data. Let's see as an example. Here in cell C2, this is an example of character 160 or hidden space character. In C3, this is an example of space character or character 32. Now I have used trim function on both this example. Let's see the output of this trim function. Let's copy and I will paste special here to see the output. Here, as you see, you can still see some spaces in this cell E2. That means the trim function doesn't work on character 160. But if you see here, there are no leading or trailing spaces. That means it works on space character or character 32. So in order to remove this hidden space character, we need to combine trim, clean and substitute formula. So let's see this formula with help of an example. This table I've already copied and pasted from email, and you can see there are many hidden characters across the data. And in row number 7, I have used sum function to calculate the total of these three columns. But since there are hidden spaces, the sum function is not working. Now let's remove these hidden characters first. The formula is equal to trim, clean, substitute, select the cell reference, comma, character 160, comma, space, bracket, and then bracket close. I will try the same formula in a different way, equal to trim, clean, substitute, cell reference, comma, character 160, comma, character 32. I am mentioning a character 32 and I have not written mentioning space in double inverted commas like the formula before. So you can write the formula in two different ways. So let's drag this down. Okay, now I will copy and do a paste special as values to see the outcome. So once you do paste special, you can see this data is in text format. Let's convert it into numbers so that the sum function will give us the required result. And you can see we have the result and there are no leading or trailing spaces here. So this is an example when you already received an Excel file with such spaces. There is a shortcut to remove such spaces, but this shortcut will only work when you copy or paste data from internet or from email to Excel. Let's see the shortcut. I have already copied the data from my email. I'll show you that data. I'll just paste here. This is the table I copied from my email, which is having the hidden spaces. Now, as per the shortcut, when you copy a table from your email, just do a space special here, but you have to do a space special and select either Unicode or text, either of these options. So once you select any of these option and click OK, you will see the table is pasted without any spaces. This is the shortcut. Thank you for watching this video.